Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a big question. Is artificial intelligence just a digital assistant in education, or can it become our true co-pilot in the classroom? Picture this. A teacher sits under a mango tree, grades 100 essays in 1 hour, gives personalized feedback to every student, and even identifies class-wide learning gaps. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. When OpenAI launched ChatGPT in late 2022, it didn't just give us another gadget, it changed how we think about teaching and learning forever. I'll admit it, I was skeptical at first. As a Jamaican educator with over 25 years in the classroom, I approached AI with caution. But after attending my first AI webinar in 2023, I quickly realized this wasn't just another tool. This was a teaching revolution. At first I used ChatGPT like Google for quick answers, but then I discovered it could actually create lesson plans, worksheets, case studies, even exam questions in seconds. And not just text. Tools like Prezi, Gamma and InVideo.ai now generate presentations and videos instantly. Students are also exploring these tools. In one study, most used ChatGPT for assignments, while others tried Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot. My students use them for lesson plans, study guides, and presentations. The results? Well-structured slides, engaging delivery, and more time to focus on what really matters, understanding content and practicing their public speaking. And what about data analysis? Something that used to intimidate students. Now AI handles statistics, explains results, and makes data less scary. For teachers, the benefits are huge. Lesson planning, grading, differentiated instruction, all tasks that once took hours can now be done in minutes. AI even provides consistent, detailed feedback that helps students improve faster. Of course, I still step in when human judgment is needed. For example, if a student writes blue-green instead of just blue in a chemistry answer, the AI might deduct a mark, but I know to give credit. That's where the teacher's role remains irreplaceable. Now, let's be real, AI isn't perfect, subscription costs can add up, internet access is unreliable in rural areas, and there's a valid concern about students becoming too dependent on AI. But here's the good news. AI can generate tasks across Bloom's taxonomy, from simple recall questions to complex evaluation, which actually supports critical thinking rather than replacing it. So what's next? Just like we once worried calculators would kill mental math, we now worry AI will harm learning. But calculators became essential tools, and AI can too. We need to train students to fact-check AI content, rethink assessments, and maybe place less emphasis on written lesson plans and more on delivery and creativity. At the end of the day, the choice is ours. Will we keep drowning in marking and paperwork? Or will we let AI handle the heavy lifting so we can focus on what really matters, inspiring minds, building relationships, and transforming education? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more conversations on teaching, learning, and technology. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to become our co-pilot.